Hello guys, this is Arshad from technology.net. So in this video we will be unboxing the ASUS TUF Gaming Pro X570 Wi-Fi. So I got it from Pak Dukan. So I got this package now, and we will be going to unbox it. So without wasting time, let's go and unbox this. So let's go. Okay, so it has been wrapped around with bubbles peg. So let's go and unbox it. Okay, here we will put this on the side, the liquid package. So now look at this. We are going to also remove this bubble pack. The packing is so good by Pak Dukan, so I'm sure it will not be damaged. So here it is. We will also put it on the side. So here it is, the TUF Gaming X570 Pro Wi-Fi from ASUS. So yeah, it has the 4.0 PCIe ready, and with a lots of feature. It will support the Ryzen 5 5600X from out of the box, but we have to update its BIOS also to make it properly working. So it got Wi-Fi 6, and also it has a better cooling system for the VRM, and also it got the, I think, 2.5 GB Ethernet also, which has upgraded from the X570 Plus. So now we are going to look at from the inside. So can you come closer and just show it to the viewers? So here is the first look. Can you come closer? So here is the first look of the box. So what we got here is let's open this first. So here we got, I think this is the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi antenna with the wire. So we'll put it on the side, and here is the box with the ASUS TUF Gaming Pro motherboard Mopo. Here is the Mopo. We will put it on the side, and let's check this box. What else we got? So let's just place it on the side. So we got this I/O shroud also. This is a back plate. It is labeled as ASUS TUF, you can see. And we got this cable, and I'm sorry guys, I'm little noob in this thing because I'm building this PC for the first time, so I didn't know what wire it is, but we got this wire, as you can see. And we also got some screws with it, and this is the serial number, I don't know. And we got these this is one CD with it, with this, and with these manuals. I think it has explained very well how we can connect all the cables, etc. So this is the instruction guide. This is the certificate. I don't know what certificate it is, but it's certificate. And here we got the manual book from the TUF Gaming ASUS user guide. So yeah, we will read it later and we'll configure how to build PC on this. So let's just put this on the side and we will look into the board from closely. So I will just open it and get it out from this plastic bag. Make sure we didn't break anything. So here you can see from the close, here is the back side and here is the front side of it. So here you can see here the heatsink for it with label as Wi-Fi 6. We got the RAM slot and the processor slot. We got the slot for GPU. We got two the RGB headers and also lots of fan headers. Can you come closer and just show it from all the sides? Can you give me the camera for 1 minute? Okay. So now here I will show you the Mobo from close. As you can see here, so we got this better VRM heatsink for VRM, and here is the ASUS TUF, and we also got this antenna with it with Wi-Fi 6. So guys, if you are going looking for best Mobo for the Ryzen 500 series, so this is one of the better option. It competes with the MSI Tomahawk X570. So but that thing was out of stock, so I ordered this one, and both have almost the same prices. I think MSI Tomahawk X570 is a little has a little high price, but this one suits me much better. So I will pair this one with the Ryzen 5 5600X and with RTX 3070. So as you can see here from the close. So guys, that's it. Hope you like this unboxing video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel Technology. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.